Familiarize yourself with the 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. All models are equipped with the revolutionary gasoline direct injection technology, providing fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Hyundai paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.